we make a triangle with polygon tool. Here we have a triangle. Place this in a line. Make this triangle larger. Now, duplicate this layer. Now we need to make this triangle a little smaller. It's okay. Make these two a little stretch, like this. I changed the color of both of these. For this both should be given shades, for that I am duplicating one of these. Now, make a rectangle for half of it using the rectangle tool. Now it can be cut into using the pathfinder on the right. Now it will be seen as a group. Ungroup it and delete everything you don't need. Now change its color and place it on top of the triangle. Yes, it's okay. Do the same in this one. Then, it's done. Subscribe for more. Goodbye.